Hi there! Smartwatch screen sizes are getting bigger. Taking it even further is the newly launched Fire-Boltt Ring Plus. Now this watch comes with a 1.9-inch display, and adding to that is the Apple Watch design. Trust me, it looks stunning. In fact, we even exchanged the straps of this watch with my original Apple Watch and they fit perfectly. That's how identical these watches are. Also included is Bluetooth calling, 100 plus sports modes, SpO2 sensor, heart rate sensor, and it's priced at just $2,499. Now that seems very impressive. Let's have a closer look and see if the Fire-Boltt Ring Plus is worth your money or not. Here's the retail packaging. Inside we get the user manual, watch itself, lots of coupons like Ghana subscription, Book My Show, and some more. Finally, the pogo pin charging cable that attaches magnetically as you bring it closer to the terminals. Actually, the magnetic grip isn't very strong. A slight touch and it might come off. Let's have a quick look at the built-in design. The look and dimensions are exactly like an Apple Watch. Metal built with matte finish, looks very premium. You can spot the speaker here for phone calls. It's got a curved display, crown button on the right side with the mic just below that. We get a buckle design strap, soft silicone material. The back also has that Apple Watch look and feel. Heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor in the center, while the charging terminals up here. Beautiful built-in design. Now coming to the screen, we get a 1.9-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. It's not the highest resolution, but still very clear and crisp. Color reproduction is pretty good. We also briefly tested it outdoors and the brightness of the display was pretty good. Easily viewable outdoors. However, indoors it was more than you need. The bezels on this watch are also quite slim. As you can see, the watch face goes almost edge to edge. In fact, the curved display helps conceal the bezels even better. Then the crown on the side can be used to quickly change the watch faces, or you can actually even scroll on the menu. Yes, of course, it's also a touch display and a very responsive one, but using the crown is really convenient. Also, the icons are really big, so it's even easy to read. For those who like the beehive menu, you can change it from the settings. By the way, the interface also is very well optimized. You have a shortcut widget on the home page which you swipe, and here you can access the weather, the phone calling features, the workout, and so much more. Swipe right to see more details. Then swipe from the top to access quick toggles. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so you can wear it at the gym, for a run, or even in the rain, but still not recommended to be worn for a swim. Coming to phone calling. Now go to the phone app and you can see recent calls, dial pad, or contacts. We'll just go to dial pad and dial a random number. So basically you can make calls directly from your watch and talk from here as well. You can even mute the mic, send the call to the phone, adjust the speaker volume, and even end the call. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls. You can see the caller's name, an option to reject the call or answer the call. If you answer the call, you can talk directly using the watch. Here too, you have your options to mute the mic, control the volume, and end the call. Super convenient. Now, if you're someone like me who doesn't want to answer calls on your watch but just want call alerts, so you can turn off the phone calling feature from the menu. Then when you receive a call, you will only see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. Here's a pro tip. If you turn off this phone calling feature, the watch battery life would last a lot longer. Now the phone calling experience was actually pretty good. It was clear and loud, and the opposite person didn't have any trouble hearing me. Then this watch also comes with 3 built-in games. 2048, which is a simple number game. Oh, that's so cool to play. Battleship is a firing game, and I feel the screen should have been bigger for this game. And then Young Bird. Now frankly, I'm not too good at it, but still I'd say it's fun. Remember, playing these games on your watch will drain the battery life a lot faster. Coming to health monitoring, so this watch comes with sleep tracking, heart rate tracking, and SpO2. We tested both heart rate as well as SpO2, and the readings seemed quite accurate. But as always, use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to sports modes, so we get over 100 sports modes on this watch. Here you can see a long list of workouts. Further, when you press this plus sign, it gets subdivided into categories, and here too is a huge collection. Sadly, there is no water sport support or swim tracking support. We also checked it for a short workout. You can see the time, you can see the beats per minute, you can see the calories burnt, you can see the distance, all that right here on the watch display. So convenient. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a 230 mAh battery and Fire-Boltt claims it should last for about 8 days. But that is best case scenario. In practical day-to-day use, you should get about 4 to 5 days. And that too is without phone calling. If you use it for phone calling, you can expect maximum of 2 days. Quick look at the DaFit companion app. And here you can see all your workouts and health data on the home page. So well organized. Then in the devices tab, you can change watch faces. There is a huge collection of analog and digital watch faces. There you go. You can even custom set an image from your phone gallery as a watch face. Further, choose from which app you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Set alarms, use watch as phone's camera shutter, save your favorite contacts. In others, you can change the time format, change the unit, continuous heart rate detection, auto lock time, drink water reminder, and even women's menstrual cycle tracking. Now, if you go into the profiles, you can set targets and even set your data with the Google Fit. It's a very helpful feature. Alright, final thoughts. Now, before I conclude, some cons. So there's no always on mode on this watch, then the resolution of the display is not very high, and there's no swim tracking. But then for $2,499, it's hard to expect all that. It comes with a 1.9-inch display, metal body, Apple Watch design, good performance, cool looking interface, Bluetooth calling. It's something definitely worth considering. The Fire-Boltt Ring Plus is going on sale tomorrow, 12th November on Amazon. I'll share the links of all the color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.